In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for advanced project management. We'll build a flexible workspace you can scale from a simple task list to a robust cross-functional project hub, all without writing code. Start by opening Airtable and creating a new base for your project. You can begin from scratch or use a template if it fits your workflow. Give your base a clear, descriptive name so teammates instantly know what it's for, and keep your workspace tidy by archiving older bases when they're no longer active. Next, set up 3 core tables: tasks, team members, and milestones. In tasks, include fields like task name, owner, due date, effort, and dependencies. In team members, add role, capacity, and contact details. In milestones, track the milestone name, target date, and a brief description. These tables become the backbone of your project data. For categorization, use single select or multi-select fields to capture status, priority, and categories. Keep your options concise and standardized. For example, to do, in progress, blocked, and done, so reporting stays accurate. Color code these options to make patterns pop in every view. Now connect your data. Link each task to a team member and to a milestone. This creates relationships between tables, enabling lookups and rollups. For example, you can roll up task statuses to see milestone completion at a glance, or pull a team member's name and role into the task table for quick reference. Choose the right view to visualize your work. Use Grid for fast data entry and bulk edits. Switch to Kanban to manage tasks by status or owner. Calendar is great for mapping due dates and spotting collisions. Gantt brings timelines and dependencies together, perfect for planning critical paths and seeing how delays ripple through the schedule. Organize your tasks by grouping, filtering, and sorting by status, priority, or person. Save these as named views like This Week, High Priority, or My Tasks, so everyone can focus on what matters without changing the underlying data. Automate notifications and reminders to keep momentum. Set triggers for upcoming due dates, status changes, or newly assigned tasks. Send alerts via email or your team chat tool, and add conditions so only the right people get pinged at the right time. Finally, monitor progress with charts and dashboards. Use summaries, bar or pie charts, and progress indicators to track workload, burn up, or milestone completion. Combine them into a clean interface so stakeholders get real-time insights without digging into tables. That's it. Your Airtable base is now a powerful, advanced project management system.